Oh, what's in the... Wow, look at them all.
I didn't know anyone that had it. We were at Costco one day this last July. So, I mean, I just fell in love with it.
Ooh.
Got a good one.
Look out of the...
Hey,
wow.
right here, Carson.
Oh, look in the grass.
The wireless probe. You gotta have one.
There's more over there.
No reason to mess up your steak. I didn't know it'd heat up that bad.
Look at your statue.
Look at my fairy statue, you guys.
She's looking at it like, what the heck?
Wow, Carson. How many eggs do you got?
She's cute. She's got her eggs.
Melinda, what's that tree?
It's an oak.
Oak?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
I wish we were
You know it's not common when a gardener has that.
Jacobson's yard right now.
It's unusual.
He asked Ben to
What are you
get
eating?
It's a curly bark oak. I hope it's not a snail.
Oh, he's got an egg open.
Oh.
Carson, you guys gotta take a break, huh?
Ooh, what's
Yum,
in
yum.
here?
Oh, chocolate. That's...
Another Easter egg hunt going on near the yard over there.
Oh, really?
Really?
Or,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No. Let's keep looking.
He's ready to eat.
You just dumped them out?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I gotta go get the...
Oh, more
Is
eggs?
your first year for lemons, Linda?
He's just talking
Yes.
that
I
one.
haven't gotten any off that one yet.
Good boy.
When I did my research online, because we're so bored.
Honey, put them in your basket first. Just put them in your basket. We'll open them later, okay? Put it in your basket. Atta boy. No, we'll open them later. They'll fall in the grass and you'll lose it. Yeah. Oh, did you find another egg? Oh, there's more over here. Look at them all.
There you go. Leave it one place. Just roll up.
Oh, look at those. Yeah. Two-fisted egger there. Ooh, you opened it up. Put it in your basket. Put it in your basket, sweetie, or it'll get lost in the grass.
You had some of my lemons. I took some lemons here. Those
Yeah.
were super sweet.
Woo, very good. You did a good job. Is there more near Grandma?